supersonic, we're on fire, rocking love alive. Caught up with you. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up. How you feeling? Yeah, yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up. How you feeling? Yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up. How you feeling? Yeah.
What's up guys, it's your boy John, back again here with another video. Today we're going to be looking at halo blocks for the Tesla Model Y. So, these cars are known to have aero wheels. These are the induction wheels for the Model Y, but these also work on the 19s too, the Geminis if you have that. But check out the unboxing. Wow, it is quite absolutely stunning with the presentation that the box has. You have your center locks. And then, this just looks so good. It's insane. I love it, love it, love it. Looks so good. They have each side, so you get the right side, the left side. So think driver, passenger. Then you have the actual cover for them. And check out this, look at this piece right here. Just beautiful. You also have some accessories as well. Let me get you guys down and then you guys can check out the accessories. Hardware. There's gloves, some screws, some bolts, and then some foam as well. I'm guessing the foam is used to protect the wheel. You also have a remover of some sort. Very cool. And heat. I'll be using these gloves for this installation. Keep my hands a little bit cleaner. Oh, look at this nice foam. Very thick foam. Ooh, check it out. Oh, so beautiful. This is gonna look stunning. It's gonna look so good when it's rolling down. You can kind of see right here. There is rubber behind it as well. And oh, this is just gonna look so good. For installation, now this works with, I believe, there's an H1 adapter and an H2 adapter. Now the H1 is gonna fit all these models right here. So you got the Model 3 range, you have the induction wheels too, and the H2 is gonna fit these sets of wheels right here. So this is how you're gonna know if you're gonna use the adapter or not. This also, I mean, this is like a 20-inch wheel, but this would also work on the Arachnid wheels too. So, also very cool. I love how there's multiple options you can do for different mounts. So, what's H1 and H2? As you can see right here, there's going to be a different, I guess, the bore size of that center cap. H1, H2, they provide both. So in my case, I have the Model Y induction wheels. So I'm gonna go for the H1. When you look at the center lock, there's gonna be H2, which is like the little center hub bore. So I don't need that. And then we're gonna use the H1 connector on top of that. So something like this. First order of business is you want to clean the wheels. Just gonna give it a nice wipe down. We're gonna be putting that foam around the wheel, so that way when it, even though it has that rubber, you want to also have the foam too, just to give it that extra protection. So here's the little protective thing. You just want to put it in the surface and then reapply that protective outer rim. Alright, so you have the little balls right here. That's the area where it goes in. It helps if you press this little button in the middle. That pushes the balls in, and it's in. Just gonna get it snug by doing it like that. And now it's in there really good. Now we're gonna use this tool right here. You can hold it, and then you can tighten it. Now the way you tighten it, it's going to be basically intuitive with the rotation of the wheel, because you know when you're moving forward, the way the wheels move when you're driving, You don't want it to get loose. They keep that in account. There's a left side and a right side, but also you can just hold it for at least the right side, and you want to righty-tighty it for the right side. The left side you want to do left. Well, you do it counterclockwise. So it's going to be there on there good, and this is when you can put the wheel on top of that. I just want to. Yeah. So your wheels are definitely protected. I'm just moving it just so you guys get a nice angle of the everything's good. And it'll also self-align too, because the way the design works. Then we have the little screw you can put right in the middle. And you want to torque this one to 5 Newton meters. Lines up beautifully with this logo. And we're done.
Put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Put my feet up, how you feeling? Put my feet up, how you feeling? So sweet to see. If you